Okay, so here we go again. We're still cleaning to move. We have inventory over there. We sell on Amazon, eBay, Facebook, and we still have a ton of stuff. That's my office area. And of course, I do a lot of crafts. And then my husband is over here. He's the music artist and everything else. He's an engineer, actually, but we do a lot of selling. And these are things that we need to clean up. This is our office. This is like a huge bonus room. We have a big TV. My kids love to come at Christmas and Thanksgiving. We play the PlayStation and all that as a family. And then we have my grandkids' toys. But all this needs to be cleaned out, organized, because we are wanting to sell our house. This is February, I don't know what the date is, 25th, 27th, something like that. Let me look, actually. I'm not even sure. Yeah, today's the 24th. I'm ahead of myself. So today's the 24th. So I want to get this all cleaned up. I want to get this room painted. We changed out the light, so that was a big deal. Took us only a year to do that, but we've been planning to do this for a few years now. We got on the bandwagon. We sold a bunch of our inventory. Like, we had boxes and boxes of inventory like this that we sold. We got rid of. We had shoes. We had so many shoes like that. As you can see, we got a bunch of supplies. So yeah, I got a lot of cleaning. I've cleaned this room maybe 3-4 times this year. But when you're packing and shipping, it just turns into a big mess. And so yeah, I need to clean this out. We have cleaned out this room, like I've said in the past. We thought we were going to move 2 years ago, so we got busy and we had like 5 garage sales. We made tons of money, thousands of dollars, and we decided, my husband put the brakes on moving because interest rates were going up, and where we want to move, it's very expensive, unfortunately. We just want a house, a small house by our kids so that we can travel. And 2 of my kids live in very expensive places, very far apart from each other and from us. So we travel quite a bit as it is just to go see all them. But we have this room. This is what I'll show you right now. I don't want to drive you crazy with all the stuff that I got to get rid of. But yeah, let's see how fast and how soon we can get this done. When you decide to start traveling and you think about living in a tiny home or in a camper, which we were doing at first, now we would like to have a small home that we can all congregate, that has a huge area where we can all congregate and my kids can all come to. I have 3 children, 5 grandkids, and yeah. And one, my third one is still in college. So we're still doing that. We still need room for her. And we need to, until she decides or, transitions to what her future becomes when she's done with school and all. So yeah, we would like to be by our grandchildren, like I say. That's our emphasis. And so our goal is to start this year. We've decided we want to transition to where we move closer to our kids, which they're in the Nashville area, Nashville, Tennessee. Not right in Nashville, of course, but out. And we want to be out, and we want to have a home that we can park our camper, and we have a little bit of acreage, and it's a small home. But we need to figure out how to get this ready and how to sell it, and then how to find a rental, I guess, for the meantime, until we are ready to build or buy a home. We're not sure we're going to be, we're very slow people at this. We have built every home we've ever lived in. This is the only home we did not build. And it's been okay. We've enjoyed it. We've loved the location. We love where it's at for what we had to do. I was teaching. My husband's an engineer. 10 minutes from all of our work and everything. My daughter now works a mile away. So it's been great for that, but we are ready to move on. So we're planning, our goal is this summer, possibly getting out of here by July or August. That's our goal. Okay, we'll see if we make it. God bless. Y'all take care. Bye.